Hi and welcome to KHIKA 2.0. In the second part of the video for KHIKA Alert Dashboard, we shall have a look at this table here which shows details of each alert event. Let us take a couple of examples. Say communication with possible IOC indicators of compromise or bad IP. This is the alert name, the timestamp, the unique ID assigned by the system, IP address, device name, the workspace, the source where the alert is raised, the priority of the alert, and the status whether it is being acted upon or not. For some more detailed information, let's click on the plus icon here. We see that this is the source IP, this is the destination IP, and this is the malicious IP. So the malicious IP and the destination IP happen to be the same, which means a source IP address within the organization has tried to communicate to a destination IP, which is a bad IP. These are the sources which have listed out this destination IP to be a bad IP according to the threat intelligence feed in KHIKA. For more on threat intelligence feed, you can see videos for the same or check out the user guide. The malicious confidence for this IP to be bad is 50. Also, the action is accept. So you might want to investigate on this source IP which is generating the traffic and block this IP as well. Let's see another example, communication with a suspicious IP. I'm expanding it. In this case, it's the same source IP, the destination IP and the malicious IP are same, and there is some data exchanged, some upload and download. So we have received bytes and we have sent bytes here. So this was one alert. This table is spread across multiple pages. Typically, it shows data for the last 7 days. Let's say integrity changed for critical files. So this is like an anti-data breach alert. So the device is a Linux device. Critical files in the Linux system are monitored 24/7 for any access or modification. And if at all there is any change in the file, the checksum of the file is changed. So here we can see the MD5 sum, and here is the changed checksum. Also the timestamp of the event, the name of the file, etc. are seen. So these were just some examples of alerts which we saw. You can see a complete list of alerts available with each KHIKA app in the user guide. Also depends on which alerts you have opted for while installing the app. You can also search for alerts in this search box. You can enter the value of a field, say owner. This is the name of my device, and click on enter to see if any alerts are raised for this device. You can click on the alert export icon here, which exports all this information in an Excel sheet that is present in the table here. Do you want to export alert data? Click to continue, OK, and you get an Excel sheet at the bottom of your screen. Also, you can manage this as an incident, communication with a suspicious IP. So I can click on manage incident next to this alert. Maybe change the status of the alert. It's resolved, so I can close it I can maybe assign it to someone else in any other state. Enter a comment. Check the resolution suggested by the system. Click on Save. I can see the updated current status here. Also, there is another quick feature. We have an alert analysis here next to each alert, which shows the number of alerts of the same type generated and their details. So this level of the pie chart, wherever I have hovered my mouse, you can see that information on top. So this level of pie chart shows the device, the severity, and this is the source IP. This source IP is communicating with this and this destination IP in different events. And this is the malicious IP for this destination IP, action, accept, sent bytes and received bytes. So looking at the pie chart, it's obvious that we need to focus on this source IP more than this or this, because this source IP is causing more incidents of the same alert. These two or these are occupying lesser space on the pie chart, which means lesser number of events. So you can focus on prioritizing or acting and closing your alerts with these numbers. This alert analysis is for all alerts of this type only. So there is a manage incident and alert analysis icon next to each alert. Also, you can select any alerts to be emailed to relevant people alert-wise, so that you do not miss critical alerts even if you are not logged onto the system. So that was all about the KHIKA alert dashboard. Thanks for watching.